Are you wondering if Ovarian Cyst Miracle can cure ovarian cysts within just a few weeks? It is a 190-page long book written by Carol Foster, a nutrition expert, health consultant, and once a victim of the ovarian cysts. It offers a step-by-step treatment plan to get rid of ovarian cysts and symptoms and to keep them from coming back. The book is based on 3-step holistic approaches, all natural, quick and safe, that emphasize on balancing whole body rather than on every symptom in isolation. Click the link in the description below this video for details. The author claims that you can expect to see the first results of the treatment in 12 hours, and she goes a step further and promises that her Ovarian Cyst Miracle system is a sure cure that you can be completely free from all kinds of ovarian cysts and PCOS in 8 weeks. Ovarian Cyst Miracle shows you exactly why you should focus on the origin of problem that's causing your ovarian cysts, not just fixing the symptoms or getting relief, and then goes on to show you exactly how to do it. What makes Ovarian Cyst Miracle different is the amount of attention paid to each and every element required to achieve permanent freedom from ovarian cysts. Ovarian Cyst Miracle not only thoroughly discusses the lies, myths and fallacies surrounding the subject, it is simply the most detailed book about ovarian cysts and holistic health ever written. The customer support from Carol Foster and her team is really great. And, the program comes with free one-on-one counseling with Carol Foster for 3 months. The best feature of the system is that she offers full 3 months of private email counseling to guide you through the program. Ovarian Cyst Miracle comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee. If it does not work, simply ask for a refund. You will get your money back in 2 to 4 days. This demonstrates the quality of the Ovarian Cyst Miracle system and the confidence that Carol Foster has in her holistic program. Anyone who needs a quick but yet permanent cure for ovarian cysts and wants to get back that natural inner balance, can benefit from the Ovarian Cyst Miracle treatment ebook by Carol Foster, as it is for all women, even those who have never had ovarian cysts. The book is not only for ovarian, but it is also a complete health rejuvenation program and is said to be 98% better than the alternative health and nutrition books on the market today. Click the link in the description below this video for details.